What's up, y'all? It's Timmy. And today, I'm gonna take you on a little road trip with my ma to Vegas, and she's gonna go camping for the first time in about 40 years. So let's go do it. Welcome to Truck House Life, baby. Just a brief background on my mom. She grew up in kind of the New Bedford, Massachusetts area and was used to the cold, and then moved down to the South a long time ago, probably 50 odd years ago. And we've just been there ever since. Hasn't done a whole bunch of traveling, so it's fun to get her out of her element and get her out doing stuff that she wouldn't normally do, and get to spend time with her too. So that's what this trip's all about. So right now I'm over on the West Coast in Las Vegas, and mom's flying out and meeting me out there. And we're just gonna do a whole mix of stuff. I'm just treating her. I got her a plane ticket out, and she got some hotel rooms for us, and we're just gonna be doing some stuff in Vegas, and then I'm taking her around just to check out some really cool stuff, cool places. And the big thing is I'm taking her camping for the first time in 40 years. So this should be good. It's actually supposed to be pretty cold for this trip, so we'll see how it goes. We'll see if the truck house is suitable for her. That's all I'm gonna say. Let's go do it. So I'm in Las Vegas right now, and I'm about to go pick up my ma at the airport, the Las Vegas airport, and we're staying on the Las Vegas Strip for 4 nights, and then gonna go to some national parks, and I'm gonna take her out camping. She probably hasn't been camping in 30 years, maybe longer. So this should be interesting. Let's get to it. Let's go get her. I got super lucky a couple days ago. I was driving down the Las Vegas Strip, and I took a picture of the Welcome to Las Vegas sign and put that on my Instagram, and then some dude saw it and he offered to detail my car for free as Nico's auto detailing. And Nico did an awesome job detailing the car, which is just in time for mom to be in here. So it's actually pretty clean right now until you look behind me, and then there's all my stuff for the 5-month road trip back there. So yeah. Well, I'm excited to see her. We're getting close to the airport. You can see the plane right up there coming down. Ooh, yeah, it's probably her. Well, here we are at the airport. I literally cannot pick up my mom. I can't fit through. This truck is 11'11", so I can't fit under it. So I've got to go find her. There's no option to like pull up anywhere near him. I can't pull in the bus lane or anything. Everything's like 9-foot clearance. So she's walking a super long ways, hopefully in the right direction. I think she's coming from like way down there. All right, I think I see her. Hey there. All right, here we are. We're officially here at the Valley of Fire outside of Las Vegas. Pretty cool, super pretty. Let's do it.
Is that taking a picture?
Oh, just like roll. It's almost like having a dash cam up there. It films like out in front, you know?
Yeah, that's what I said. Is it taking it now?
Oh yeah, yeah, it's filming straight ahead. Then I don't have to put like the talking in there, you know, I can slip music in or whatever.
Yeah.
Edit that kind of stuff. Afternoon, morning.
Hi.
We're just going in for the day.
$15. You live in Nevada?
Oh, sorry?
You live in Nevada?
No, I'm Alaska.
It's $15. This thing goes on the windshield.
Okay, thank you.
Every day.
喺度有啲
嗱，係啊，我影咗2張都係有個圈喎。
影張，我企喺度啊。
我掟翻轉頭影。
沙漠美女。
我掟翻轉頭影。Yeah, it looks like they'll think I'm really out in the
Way out in the deep wilderness. Okay, we're rolling up to the visitor center. Check it out.
Do I need
Get you trying to jump out of the camper
no,
from our...
I have to really be careful because the drop is, see, when I almost think I can make it, but I have to be.
Oh, good. Oh, that's cool.
See it?
Yeah, he's like right across from us. Thing. Yeah, yeah, I am. That's cool.
Oh, the people. Get a video.
Oh, yeah.
Get some pictures.
Yeah, just get him running. Oh. Yeah, it is. It's cool. Oh, yeah, I'm just getting at the fin.
Soup looks hot, huh?
Getting your little tuna roll there. Right now we're in Joshua Tree National Park. We got here last night when it got dark, and this is where we're camping for a couple nights. Apparently you have to reserve camping sites about 3 or 4 months in advance here. And I just happened to find literally the last camping spot available, and we got really lucky. So it's a Friday, Saturday night, and we're staying here. It was super cold last night for Joshua Tree. It got down to 22 degrees, and I let Mom just have the camper by herself. That way she's all cozy and had room and all that stuff. And I set up my tent. So let's go check out the campsite really quick and just kind of give you an overview of where we're at. Yeah, we're just gonna go check out the national park today, Joshua Tree, and show you guys what it's all about. Beautiful place. Let's check out the campsite real quick. So here's our pad. You can see the tent right over there. Mom's up in the camper. Right next to the bathroom, so that's cool. Just big enough to fit in here. I put the little solar light out so she could see when she's walking down in the bathroom at night. Got my old 2-man tent. And here's the propane fire pit I built over here. You guys remember this from Overland Expo video. Pretty simple. It's a beautiful spot out here though. You can see all the Joshua trees all around. Oh, it's warmed up a bunch out there. Yeah, see what the temperature is. Not too shabby. Warmed up to 55. It's 22 degrees this morning. Lots of folks camping around us. Seems like most people I talk to are from Los Angeles. Oh no, I'm done.
Videos? Oh, okay. I gave up trying to do a ponytail.
Oh, really?
So I've got a clip on the side. I don't know how, yeah. Yeah, these steps are just really narrow.
Yeah, they're kind of tight to walk down. You get it down after a little bit. Take it a second to warm up.
Yeah, it looks like we've parked in these people's, they're parking.
Yeah, I know it
spot.
looks like it. It's just not the. It's just for both of us, I think.
One couple asked me about it, asked if it was ever, and I said that you built it, and they asked if it raised up, and I said you slide it, you know, you can slide it out and all that.
Hidden Valley Hike Trail. Sure is pretty. Sure is pretty. Out for a little one-wheel ride here to capture sunset. It looks like I missed it. It dipped behind this mountain super fast up here, but it's still beautiful. Yeah, Joshua Tree is just gorgeous. There's no other ways to put it. This is my mom's first time camping in over 40 years, and yeah, she's done great despite the winter December weather conditions. And it was 22 degrees when I woke up in the tent this morning, but she's doing well. I think she enjoyed it, got her out of her element a little bit, and it's been really good spending time with her, you know. Beautiful evening out though. And I'll turn around at this Joshua tree up here. These trees are so cool. Well, I guess that's a wrap, y'all. I really enjoyed my time with my mom. It's been a good trip. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to smash that like button down there and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more of my videos. And we'll do it again soon. Peace, y'all.